Go off. Yes! Yes!
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio on Great Knob, just north of Terre Haute, West Virginia, on a frequency of 162.50 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon each Wednesday. This radio station, KWN 36, serves the following counties in northeast West Virginia: Barber, Marion, Monongalia, Preston, and Taylor, Tucker. And in western Maryland, the county of Garrett. And finally, in southwestern Pennsylvania, the county of Fayette. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. The Morgantown, West Virginia.
The HH flippin' activated. Look at that for the flippin' Pittsburgh test. Wow. Look at that. That was flippin' awesome. That was flippin' awesome. Let's go. State College test. Hold on.
Thunderstorms. Lows around 70. College. And the tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert system during dangerous weather events. NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated.
Can I get
Message. Pressure was 30.35 inches and rising. Now for some observations from the surrounding area. At Cumberland.
No, I can't get. Son of a gun.
An hour.
Alright, 52, how dare you go off the air?
In the afternoon. Thursday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts.
Thank you, HH. I can't believe that Sterling never tested.
This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio all-hazard warning device for station WXK97 in Sudlersville, Maryland. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties, independent cities, and marine areas and near the upper Delmarva Peninsula in Maryland, and the Rundle, Baltimore, Caroline, Cecil, Dorchester, Hartford, Howard, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot counties, Baltimore City, and Chesapeake Bay north of Drum Point. The entire state of Delaware, including Delaware Bay but not including the adjacent Atlantic coastal waters. In New Jersey, Cumberland and Salem. And in Pennsylvania, Chester. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio, all hazards. Station WXK97 in Sudlersville, Maryland. Thank you for listening to NOAA weather radio, all hazards. Here is the official National Weather
Well,
Service
thank you about
forecast for
Holly.
Lower Delaware Bay, issued April 7th.